Good afternoon to all. I welcome to the playlist, which is going to focus now exclusively on different add-ons which are available to our MS Excel. Now, in this, you will see that apart from the basics, functionalities that are available to us in Excel, or after attending certain workshops, wherein you can move yourself away from the basics to the advanced level of Excel. I have found that it is not an easy area to learn about Excel, and maybe some of us are not even comfortable in using those things. So, while I was trying to understand and use more of Excel, especially in the field of the data analysis, I came across some of the add ons which were readily available, and they are very convenient and very useful. And especially, I would say I'm very comfortable in using them so that I can get the output for my own research work. So, I thought, why this should be kept to myself only? Let me go ahead and share with each one of you so that you can also use them and make your own research area or the publications much more comfortable and much more easier also. Now, before I can talk about the various utilities, I would say that yes, some of them are absolutely free add-ons. However, some of them are still to be purchased, and they are a bit costly. Rather, I would say that even if you look now, I mean, these are the words which keep on ringing in my ears through Neeraj sir, wherein he said that if you purchase MS Office, it is not so costly, as you are going to spend more money towards certain add-ons, and you will see which those add-ons are, and whether they are feasible for us to work also or not, while showcasing certain publications which are available in the scholarly Google, I would say, now while you are trying to search them. Now, some of the utilities of the Excel add-ons which we can see are productivity, visualizations, which is definitely present for us. Productivity, I would say that it's not just the day-to-day research work. However, even in the companies, businesses, and industries, you will come across a lot of domains are there which use Excel for their own purposes. Now, this can be for the Department of Management, it can be for operations, logistics, supply chain. Then you can go ahead with finances, accounting, then HR. Definitely, they are also present. Then, apart from these things, in industries, they are using Excel add-ons, I would say, for their own purposes to generate or create or design their own reports also. So that's what I meant by productivity out here. And you will see, and I'm not supposed to forget even the report generations, which I'm seeing across the globe the way they are. And while reading some of the reports, I understood that yes, the visualizations or the kind of tools that are being used definitely come from these Excel add-ons also. Now, apart from productivity, I'm able to see the visualizations. Now, visualizations, each one of us can know that it is not just the bar charts or the histograms, or I would say donuts or pie charts, which are just we are restricting ourselves. Visualization stories are much more richer, and you will see what those utilities are. Similarly, charts, there are a lot of differences between the visualizations and the charts, and once I'm going to introduce to you to that particular domain, you would be able to see. Now, when I mean by study, there is a special reference to it, and we will see whether there are add-ons which help us to study something, to read something. Now, one should know the differences between studying something and reading something, and we will see how Excel add-ons is going to help you out for this. Similarly, in the domains of finances, accounting, and economics also, Excel has played tremendous role, and I would say these Excel add-ons make it much more richer. And I myself was surprised because I don't belong to the domain of finances, accounting, and economics. However, after curiosity and learning purposes, I started venturing myself into these areas, and I picked up little bit of the knowledge which is necessary for us to know. And as CP Gupta sir always says that marketing and finances cannot be separated; they go hand in hand. It's the same thing out here also. Now, since I come from the background of marketing, and I have seen that Excel definitely plays a lot of role in marketing and branding also, and we will see how those Excel add-ons are going to help us out in detail. Now, similarly, data analysis, which is the core area of the research methodology as a subject, and Excel really helps you a lot for the data analysis. So let us try to understand what those tools which are available in terms of the add-ons, and let us see as to how many of them we are aware of and how well we are even using them from the rest of the tools which are available to us, which are absolutely free, like R and Python. So do we think that yes, we need to focus on these Excel add-ons also or not? Similarly, there are one more category which I have I should say created, which is called as the miscellaneous. Under this, you will see that the add-ons which we can use it for other purposes from the list that I have presented above. So you can say that yes, we know how to understand and how to carry forward. So the first mind map that I'm going to showcase to you for Excel add-ons, wherein you can see the dark maroon color which is being labeled as 1. I'm talking about productivity. Now, what I have done in this particular mind map is that I just listed some of the add-ons which are exclusively available for Excel, and we should be able to know them and use it also in our day-to-day life. For example, mail add-ins, then power user. I'm just giving you the names in this particular introduction to the Excel add-ons, I should say the presentation of mine. Going in the future presentations, you will see that yes, I'll be dealing with each one of them and how to understand and how well we can use it also. Similarly, Macabacus. Now, you can pronounce it as Macabacus, or you can say Macabacus also. It sounds the same thing. Then duplicator, finder and deleter, then ASAP, or it can be called as soon as possible utilities, or ASAP utilities also. Now, these are just some of them which I have collected over here for this particular mind map, and I'm showcasing to you. Now, coming over to the visuals, you will see that we have got chart labeler, then we have got geographic heat map, Bing maps, colorizer, though Bing maps come in really useful for us in 2016 version of Excel also side by side. Similarly, colorizer, you have got then picket free images, web video player. So these are some of the Excel add-ons which are available under the category of visuals. There are some more which I'll be sharing it once I will start off on the visual add-ons for us. Now, similarly, under the category of charts, you can see radial charts, bubble charts, higher view and God charts. Now, radial bubble, I would say all of us are aware of. However, for the radial, which is quite useful in our reporting or in the results of our data analysis, and you can really interpret them in a very nice manner, and you can proceed further with your interpretation as well as the presentation part of it. Similarly, goes with the higher view or the God charts also. Under the category of study, which I was telling you, we have, there are add-ons like Quick Notes, flashcards, mind map, and lucid charts. Now, which are readily available, and these are helpful in our, not only in our studies, however, you can use them for your own convenience and comfortability, and try to see how well the area of studies is being differentiated from the general one that we use it in our day-to-day life. Similarly, coming to the area of marketing and branding, I have seen branding colors. It's an amazing one. SEO gadget, if you are interested in SEO searches for the websites, the content which is available to us, you can do the lot of comparing. That is also available, and it is one of the gadget which is I mean to say the add-on which is readily available for the work on marketing and branding. Similarly, QR barcodes, we will see this is a new area how they are using it and what is the need of it is again a different area altogether. Similarly, excellent add-ins for marketing and branding is also available. So in this particular slide, you have seen 5 areas which I have categorized it, and some of the popular add-ons which are available for the Excel in the Excel sheet so that we can use them. Similarly, the other 3 you can focus is on finances. Under finances, we have got analytics. It's an amazing tool, I would say. Analyzer Excel, it's another one which really helps you out in analyzing it. However, I'm not going to categorize it under the heading of data analysis. However, under finances, because this helps you to analyze the financial data. Similarly, checkbook assistant, you will see what it is. Financial reporting, portfolio optimizer. Now, price data for different securities. If you come from the domain of securities and if you really would like to know about the price data and how to proceed further, this is one of the add-on which really helps you out. Similarly, the loan assistant, which I can discuss once we come over to here. Now, my favorite area is data analysis because I'm glued to it more and more, and I can see I'm just mentioned here only some of them, not all of them. Topmost is the Power Pivot, which you can go ahead and you can look at it. It's a very popular tool. Again, risk analysis is another add-on. Excel Start. Now, this is something which I'm going to focus more and more, and some of them which we need to learn about them so that they can be used in our own analysis. Zenplot, again, it's a beautiful visualizations. Again, it's a expensive, I would say, not as comparatively to Excel Stat. However, we should know about it. Similarly, the absolutely free tool pack that we get is analysis tool pack, which I think everybody is aware of it and we are using it. I don't know from how long. Now, similarly, Spreadsheet Studio is one more area. Power Apps Solver is one more which I don't see majority of them using it. However, this is another, and I hope some of you are aware of it also. Similarly, we have got the Forecast Wizard, and we will see how to use some of them, though there are some more which I'll be showcasing while I come. In fact, I would be starting off with the data analysis tools only for the Excel add-ons, and I would be discussing these ones only before rather than the rest of them. Under the miscellaneous category, I have got Fred, what Fred is and how you can get certain data from here. We will see. Then the Office tabs is there, time dimension is there, and this is a beautiful one, I would say. We will see. And random generator, sometimes you require certain numbers, and we will see how to generate them and take care, and that's why these have been placed under the category of miscellaneous kind of a thing. So I welcome each one of you to this particular presentation of mine exclusively on Excel add-on, and I hope you will enjoy the journey along with me as I'm trying to share as much as possible the ones that I have learned myself also side by side. So let me start off with yet another presentation of mine from here. Till then, thanks, take care, bye.